Dear students, welcome to NIS YouTube channel. So in the previous class we discussed regarding forms and we formatted the forms in the sense how to design the forms, how to make apply the colors and how to set the background color for the form and how to insert the background image for the form and how to change the color of the text and how to change the color of the text box. So that all we discussed. So today we will see one more, we will create the one more form with the same table, that is the student information table. So here look at the screen, students. So already I have a table called student info with the different fields like roll number, name, class, marks and fees. So we have created the form, that is student info form we have created. So now today we will see one more form we will create with the same table. Okay. So again, to create the form you have to go to the tab. Which tab? That is create tab. We have to click on create tab. Observe the screen. So we have to click on create tab, right? So in the create tab, when you click on create tab, you have a different groups like template, tables, queries, forms, reports we have, right? So in the forms group, okay, so in the forms group, here we have a option called form wizard, right? So click on form wizard. Well, so here we have a one more window, that is form wizard window. So here that already we have discussed all these things while creating the first form, right? So here we have this is the student info table, the table name it is, and in this table whatever the fields we have, those are available here. Okay, the available fields of which table? Student info table, right? So now what I will do, you have to select the fields which you want to display on your form, correct? So these are the fields available, and out of these fields what are the different, what are fields you need to display in your form, those you have to select. So suppose if I want a name or a rule number I want in the form, then you have to click over here. So you have added rule number in your form. Next I will add the marks or a name I will add. So then click over here, we have added name. Then I will add marks. Click over here, I have entered the marks. Okay. So next I will take class, right? So now I will not take the fees. Okay, I don't want fees to enter the user, right? The fees which is related to the that office work it is. So why should I go for fees that I should available for the user, right? So it is not a good practice to fill the fees column. Okay, so for the form I have taken the fields like roll number, name, marks and class. Okay, so when I will generate the form, in that form, generated form, you will get only the selected fields, you will get, not the fees. Okay, so then click on next. So what type of form you need, the layout of the form you have to select. So we want the layout like columnar or tabular or data sheet, so that you can select. So now we will get column. So click on next, and next you can have to open the form to enter the information. Yes, what title do you want for your form? So the title I will enter, that is NIRS admission form, or the title so admission form NIRS I have entered. So we'll see, you have to click on next, click on finish. Yes, so you have a form called admission form NIRS. So this is a form title, okay, the title of the form. Next, so these are the fields you have selected to display in your form. Well, next rule number, everything you have, right? So next is you need to click on design view. So for change, you have to click on form view, right? So next it is Okay. Yes. So rule number. Now I will enter the rule number. No need to enter the rule number. Why? Because the rule number field we have applied which data type, that is auto number it is. So user he can't enter the rule number, right? Okay. So next we'll go for name. The name of the student, that is Rajendra. Rajendra. Okay. So next it is marks. You got anything, whatever the marks you can enter just. So next the class. No need to enter the class again. Why? Because the class data field we have applied which data type, that is default value we have entered. The default value is 10. I have entered. We have entered. Right now press enter button. Yes. So now go to the student info table. Why? Because we need to check whether the entered data information has stored in the student info table or not. So you need to click on student info, open it. So just you can refresh. Yes, I got the Rajendra, and he has assigned the rule number. Sorry, he got the rule number, that is 8 in class 9. Marks I have entered. So here we don't have a fees field, because in the form I have not given the fees to enter for the user. So now you can go to the table. So this is how we have entered. So now come to the admission form again. Yes. So now here we have to make some changes in the sense the appearance of the form we have to change, like applying the color and all. So for that we have to, the view we have to change. So for the view, in the views group, click over here, design view, click on design view. Yes, now here you have to make some changes, applying color and all. So now I will select the text boxes one by one, otherwise I will select all the text boxes. Okay, so no need to select. Yes, I have selected. Come to the format tab. Observe here we have format tab. Click on format tab, and background color you can apply, right? And next to text color you can apply. Okay, so background color is to okay, make it bold. Text size you can change. So whatever the size you need, you can change it. So next better to change this another better. Well, okay, so next you can change the text field color. So this is the background color. I will change into the some different color. I will enter. Okay, fine. So the text color I will go for red. Red is not the good one. Yes, so here I have selected the applied some colors. Well, okay, so next you can apply the title of the form you can change, or you can make apply some color for this. So text color I will go for blue. Okay, make it bold, underline, italic. Yes, admission form NIRS, right? So now you can come to the home and click on form view. You can observe how it looks, right? So even you can make insert the background image also if you want. Next if you want background color also you can apply, right? So for that again you have to click on design view, go to the format, and here you can apply the color. Okay, background color you can apply. Now go to the form view, right? Well, so this is how it looks. Okay, so you need some different color. Again we have to go for here again, background color. Background color you can change into the background color. Well, So go to the form view again. Yes, so this is how you have designed your form, right? Okay, so this is regarding the designing the creating the forms in MS Access database 2010, right? So students, so this is how we design, and the next class we will see a report. Okay, so this is what we discuss about the form. In the next class we will see how to generate or how to create the report of your database. Okay, right? So that we will see in the next class. Thank you.